Welcome to part 2 of Weeds That Feed. I'm Andy Dean from the Natural Garden. I'm on a mission to celebrate and advocate for our native and wild plants that contribute so highly to nature. This is part 2 of our weekly look at a plant that I call Grow This Instead, where we compare and contrast some similar ornamentals to a native, see if we can retain a good aesthetic while choosing plants that wildlife choose. If you only have space for one evergreen with its glossy leaves and bright berries, Holly, Ilex, aquifolium is a really good choice and outperforms most ornamentals. It's incredibly versatile, all the while feeding 50 species of insects. Holly naturally typically grows in woodland understory, but also in hedgerows and as a standalone tree, shrub, thriving in moist but well-drained soils from chalk to clay, and forms dense shelters for birds and insects. Being an evergreen shrub or tree, it's got year-round interest and reaches about 12 meters in height, with small white flowers in May, June, and of course bright red berries on the female plants in winter because they're dioecious, which means that they're male and female plants, and the female plant needs the male pollen to produce those beautiful glossy red berries that feed so many birds like thrushes, blackbirds, redwings, to name a few. So which ornamental plants could we substitute for holly? These following ones, 3 I've thought of or put here so we don't go on too long, but first one I would look at is Portuguese Laurel, Prunus lusitanica, which it's about the same height actually as holly, sort of 10 to 12 meters. It provides structure obviously, but only feeds 2 phytophagous insects, but it is food plant to the holly blue caterpillar. Skimmia japonica is a sort of compact evergreen shrub. Similarly to holly, has red berries on the female plants, dioecious as well. Skimmia as an introduction from sort of Japan, China in the late 19th century. Has very few insect interactions, only 3 in fact, and birds don't really like the berries of Skimmia either. And the last of our comparisons today is Pyracantha, coccinea, Firethorn, a little smaller than holly, mature height of about half the height, about 4 meters, less than half. Berries liked by the birds actually, but only supports 3 herbivorous insects, whereas holly obviously supports many more. Holly grows almost anywhere, can be a wall shrub, specimen shrub, a tree, or a security barrier if you want. I hope this inspires you to look again at the plants that we often overlook. And remember, holly isn't just for a Christmas decoration, it feeds nearly 50 insects throughout the year and many birds over winter. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more about plants that truly earn their place in the garden, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. See you soon for the next edition of Weeds That Feed.